Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. For today's video, we'll be traveling to La Union. Hey, let's go! For now, sundayin muna natin yung mga kasama natin going to La Union. Ayan na sila, sila Ate Ve. Let's go! Ayan, dahil complete attendance na kami, we are now traveling going to the terminal of Byron Transit. And we're now here at the terminal of Byron Transit. Wait lang natin yung bus na sasakyan natin. Ayan, at konti pa lang yung mga tao. We're now inside the bus. There guys, sila. Heading to La Union. Let's go. Time check 9:33 AM pero hindi pa kami umaalis. 9:30 dapat yung alis namin. Wala pa masyadong pasahero. Naghihintay pa siguro sila. Finally, we're now departing from the terminal exactly 9:38 AM. We're now here at Balintawak Toll Plaza. We're now entering Esitex. We've just exited Esitex and we're now here at Concepcion, Tarlac. We've just entered Tarlac City. We are now here at Rosales, Pangasinan. And now we are at Poso Rubio, Pangasinan. Ayan, nagkaroon ng konting bus stop or stopover here at Sison, Pangasinan. Siguro short break lang. And kailan ay nice yung aircon ng bus. And we were asked to transfer bus kasi sira yung aircon sa kabila. Bali sa bagong bus. Bagong hindi naman bago. Natin. Busog na.
Busog na.
Resume traveling going to La Union with a different bus. And we have reached Rosario, La Union. And we are now here at San Fernando, La Union. And we've reached our accommodation here at Eleanor Transient House. And this is our room. Ayan na ako. Si Yana. At eto nag-start na nga mag-enjoy sa beach ang magkapatid na Yana at Jelay. At syempre nag-enjoy din si Baby Kyle. Ayan, kahit malakas ang alon sa beach, pupo lang siya. And truly best for surfing ang alon dito sa San Fernando, La Union. got the chance to take photos with the sunset background. And ang ganda rin ng sunset dito sa La Union, no? Yan, after nila magtampisaw dito sa beach, umuwi kami sa accommodation para kumain ng dinner. Ayan, we're done with our dinner and mag-lights up na kami. It's our day 1 here in La Union. See you tomorrow. At dito ko na muna tatapusin ang ating video. Sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends too. See you on my next vlog. Bye!